Today, generative AI can design a complex, highly specific textile pattern in a matter of just a few seconds. However, translating that digital file into physical bolts of cloth introduces significant constraints. Printing and shipping physical goods requires coordination that software alone cannot solve. This diagram illustrates the standard industry solution. A central platform manages the customer and the logistics, then passes a 5% affiliate fee to the person who actually created the design. Because the central platform dictates the pricing and owns the user data, independent designers struggle to retain the margins needed to scale their own operations. This model operates as a hidden engine, powering multiple independent storefronts simultaneously. The platform provides the tools, but the branding belongs entirely to the reseller. This architecture gives the customer relationship and the retail pricing control to the independent business owner. By functioning as a wholesale supplier rather than a consumer-facing app, the platform shifts the economic leverage toward the individual creator. For the consumer, the process is streamlined. They initiate an order through a simple WhatsApp link, requiring no external app downloads. The customer sees only the reseller's brand. The technical infrastructure supporting the transaction remains invisible. The AI conducts a targeted interview within the chat, gathering the cultural and emotional details needed to build a specific design brief. This brief generates a bespoke Ankara pattern and a storyboard, showing exactly how the fabric will appear at the intended event. The back-end platform serves as the system of record, preserving the conversation state and design versions, without requiring the reseller to perform manual data entry. The consumer receives a high-touch design experience, while the seller manages the project with minimal effort. To understand the economics, we have to look at how the platform generates revenue without handling the customer's retail payment. The decoupled transaction separates payments. The reseller bills the customer the retail price directly using their own payment provider. Then, a secondary payment is made to the platform for the fixed fulfillment cost. The reseller keeps the difference as gross margin. This separation means the platform is not responsible for consumer refunds or the risks associated with retail marketing. Physical manufacturing is governed by the pure predicate rule, requirements that must be satisfied before production begins. Production only starts once two facts are confirmed. The customer has approved the design, and the platform has received the base payment. Once verified, the system routes a production package directly to a fulfillment partner's factory. The factory receives only technical specifications and a 72-hour delivery deadline. They do not need access to the customer's chat history or reseller's retail markup. This algorithmic approach coordinates software, sales, and manufacturing without requiring manual oversight or middle management. Removing the platform from the retail payment layer simplifies international scaling by bypassing the complexities of consumer tax and regional payment disputes. Many AI projects focus on the volume of images generated, a metric that measures usage but not necessarily business health. This dashboard tracks a more relevant metric: the number of paid orders delivered within the agreed timeframe per active partner. Focusing on these commerce-heavy KPIs ensures the platform remains a functional business tool rather than a novelty. By integrating design automation with a decoupled fulfillment network, the model provides a framework for how independent entrepreneurs can use AI to manage physical commerce.